It's me. Hi.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's explore Gamti Mountain and Bovilla Reservoir together. On April 18, 2025, my friends and I explored Gamti Mountain and Bovilla Reservoir inside Mount Dajti National Park. It was a day of fresh air, good company, and beautiful views. We started early, driving through winding mountain roads with music and laughter. Five friends, one destination, and a lot of excitement ahead of us. Then we arrived at the Bovilla Reservoir. Calm blue water was surrounded by dramatic limestone cliffs. The reservoir was built to supply fresh water to Terima, but standing there, it felt like a hidden paradise. No camera could really capture how beautiful it was. Bovilla was part of Mount Dajti National Park, a protected area full of wild nature and quiet landscapes. Even though it felt far from everything, it was actually just a short drive from the city. It was the perfect escape from busy life. Then it was time to hike Gamti Mountain together. It was one of the best viewpoints over Bovilla Reservoir. There was some sweating, a lot of laughing, and plenty of pauses to enjoy the view. Every step felt easier when we were surrounded by friends. At the top, everything opened up. Water, rock, and sky stretched in every direction. We felt the wind, heard the silence, and just smiled. Moments like this were the ones we carried with us long after the trip was over. We slowed down and simply stayed present. There was no rush, just us, the mountains, and the sky. Places like this reminded us how small we were, and how beautiful the world could be. And most of all, travel was always better when it was shared.
You're not even in my photo. No worries.
That was our day at Gamti Mountain and Bovilla Reservoir in Albania. Thank you for coming with us on this little adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures.